Twin hearts, twin souls, twin stars. Tell me, darling, are you the one? 'Cause I realized as I was mesmerized by those eyes staring at me.
We have the twin. We also have thinking of you in either way. We also have this wisdom. So, kung sakali man nandito kayo sa twin flame journey, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na yung twin flame mo ay iniisip ka because as of this time, this person is becoming wiser in terms sa pagpili ng gusto niya maging partner. So, isa ka sa kanyang naisip na partner na gusto niya makasama. We have the close in either way. You also have the space. So some of you could have blocked this person already, or you close the door towards this twin flame journey because you need some space for healing, or pwede rin kasi na hindi mo pa siya napatawad sa ginawa niya sa'yo before. So we have the 10 here. Completion. We also have this one in reverse, okay? Gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, kung may nagawa siyang mali before, it ended already, and this person changed for the best. Nilayuan na niya yung mga tao na masamang impluensya sa kanyang buhay, or pwede rin yung mga addiction, okay? Hindi na niya yun ginagawa kung ano man yung addiction na yun. So you also have the camera here in either way. So I feel things have changed in this person's life kasi siguro may mga ebidensya or may mga red flags siyang nakita sa addiction, or pwede rin sa mga tao na nasa kanyang paligid na masama. So sa ngayon, lumalayo siya sa mga taong masasama, kaya naisip ka niya kasi sa ngayon, this person do want a partner na mabubuti, yung mga may wisdom, at ayaw na niya ng mga ahas, okay? So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.